Japan, 1956. In a quiet fishing town, something terrifying began to happen. Children suddenly couldn't walk, couldn't speak, and no one knew why. Before humans fell sick, cats began shaking, stumbling, and dying. Locals called them the dancing cats. Children lost control of their bodies. Mothers watched helplessly as their kids convulsed. Some never recovered. The cause wasn't a virus. It wasn't a curse. It was mercury, flowing silently through the sea. A chemical factory dumped toxic waste into the bay. Fish absorbed the poison, and families ate the fish every day. The factory denied responsibility for years. By the time dumping stopped in 1968, thousands were already affected. This became known as Minamata disease, one of the worst environmental disasters in history. Officially, 2,282 people died, but tens of thousands more are still suffering from the poison today.